Add tracks on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris. Good morning. Welcome to Beyond the Block podcast. It's your host, me. What's going on here, my camera? My camera moved at some point. I feel like my camera moved. Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I am happy to have you here on this Saturday, March 23rd. Today we will be going over Empire DAO Raffle giveaway. Isn't that crazy? How did I do that? We're going to be giving away a raffle giveaway. We're going to talk about Bitcoin being at 64,000, Solana Memecoins going parabolic, what coins to buy today. I am going to go over a list of coins. We're going to definitely talk about the USC for gross abuse of power towards crypto. We're going to talk about AI sex bots, and the Mega Million jackpot is up to $1 billion. Like they say, it's all about a dollar and a dream. If you have not been a part of my community web network, you're missing out on resources. This is the resource capital for anything that you want to use or need or learn or capabilities of something within the space. I was on the call yesterday. One of my friends called me. Shout out to Drake. And he was like, Ab, I was in the house bored. Excuse me. He was like, I was in the house bored and I was trying to figure out what it was going to do. So, I just happened to go in a Telegram group, which people have this group and don't understand the resources that are in the group, all right? And you're like, yo, I went into books and I seen all of these things that I can occupy my mind in space. So I'm going to get into this thing that I have in here called books and good reads. These are books that I have provided within the Telegram group. So if you're into trading, there is Day Trading 101 in there. If you want to learning, developing, if you want to learn about, let's see, hold up, let me see. Because there's a lot of information that's in here, a lot. So you want to learn about passive income, there's a book for that. If you want to learn about the Side Hustle Bible, there is a book for that. I have that in here. If you're interested in global survey on the crypto and Web3, I have that book. Time is money. I have that book. I have a lot of books in here. Everyone is lying. The philosophy of money. This is what my Telegram group is about. Machine learning in trading. If you're not a part of my group and you're not a part of what's going on and you're not tuning into my show, you're being left out. I'm just wanted to just tell you that. So in my group, like I said, I have a lot of informative information. Killer ChatGPT prompts. How many of us use ChatGPT on the daily, right? I got killer prompts in here. I don't know how many prompts is in here, right? There's a lot of information in here. Today, I officially upgraded our Telegram group to premium. So there's going to be a lot of just different stuff that's happening. Not only that, I am doing a raffle, okay? Empire DAO, this Monday, we will have Mike Fiata, a guest on Monday's Spotlight guest for Beyond the Blockchain. And we have Mike talking about Empire DAO, the second season, what's happening, about the mint, everything that's going on. And I'm going to tell you guys, this number has been dwindling down. There's only about 74 left out of 333 supply. So what I did, because I believe in the project, and once again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything of the sort with this. But what I am going to tell you is that in my Telegram group, I created a desk, right? This is a desk that I've created for the group. This desk will be raffled off to a lucky winner in our group. Currently, the desk costs 1 Solana, okay? That's what the price of the mint is, 1 Solana. Now, for all those who don't know, right, this is what we're going to do. 1 Solana to USD for those who don't know. 1 Solana in dollar value. Hold up. I don't know what's going on. Okay, here go right here. $1 in dollar value is $176. I am raffling off a desk worth $176 before the minutes even closed, right? I am raffling this off. This is Happy Friday. This is yesterday. I want to share the desk I created for the raffle and my Web3 network community, okay? No desks, because there's no desk, no computers, just a dog and the time of the day. So you know what the dog is. Dog is man's best friend, right? And the time of the day. And as long as you have a great atmosphere, a great place to look at, then you will be in an oasis. This is why I created this, because it's just like a vacation within itself, right? If we have the idea that Solana is going to go to 500, right? Then guess what? This will have a lot of value, and this goes out to one of my community members. This is the beautiful thing about being a part of Web Network. Moving on. Today we are above 60,000. Remember the conversation that we was having yesterday when my guy Crypto Rover was saying that he wanted his entry price, look at this, he wanted his entry price to be $60,000, okay? So he believes that we are only in a 17% correction. Out of the past cycles, it has been a 20 to 21% correction. This is something that, like I say it all the time, pay attention to, look at, make sure that you're making the right informative decisions on where you choose to put your funds. And I like to also provide this is not financial advice. I just look at these things and figure out ways that I can take an opportunity, and I talk about these things that happen every day. So it's up to you to decide if this is something that you want to do. If it is, then hey. If it's not, then ho, right? Just tune in. We're going to have a conversation about Floki today. We're definitely going to have a conversation about Floki today, and this whole meme parabolic of memes going crazy. There was a billboard put on 42nd Street yesterday that was a little crazy, right? I want to go down to my helium. Where we at with helium? Where are we at? Boom. All right, now I want to see something real quick. USD market cap, top traders, top gainers. Let's look at the top gainers. Badge DAO, looks rare, Mirror Protocol, Yield Guild Games, Terra Luna, Part 2, eCash. Okay, the Open Network, Bitcoin Cash, Gala, Luna Classic. This is something that I've been looking at, guys. I don't know. It popped up on my Instagram. On my crypto.com, and I kind of like just got a few dollars in there. I don't got nothing real significant. It was just something that popped up, and I just looked at it and seen that it made a little sense to me. Keep it moving. Moving on. This is Beyond the Blockchain Podcast. I spent a lot of time over there. So all the meme coins are going parabolic, according to what my man Ash Crypto says. Book of Memes pumped 10,000 in a day. Sliff pumped 5,000 in a day. Which meme coins is the next to pump 100x? Now, the funny thing is, I seen Slurf Prior to it pumping, and that's another one of those projects. It's a meme coin. Once again, it's a meme coin. So if you know how I feel, I don't really have the faith in meme coins. This meme coin thing is a little crazy to me. Because it's not really based off of nothing. It's a lot of these meme coins is based off of giving the finger to the man, right? To the institutional stuff, and it's like making a joke out of certain things, just like Wall Street meme bets. Same concept. It's just a fu to the man, right? So that's why it's hard for me, because you don't know what's real, what's not, what's a rug pull, what's not. You're investing in these things. They're not on exchanges. You got to wait for them to go public to be able to get your coins, or wait for them to allocate them. There's a whole lot of like things involved in it, so that makes me uncomfortable with memes. But there are some people who are meme masters. Before we even go into the meme aspect, we're gonna go and see what Crypto Rover is talking about the dollar of Bitcoin, what expectations are, and let's check them out.
Things are still looking quite bearish for Bitcoin, and we're still factoring in a down trend with potentially first time around
the first higher low here on the 4-hourly time frame on Bitcoin. But just like we created here a slightly higher low, we straight away got a solid rejection and moved even lower. So I am not necessarily expecting this 100% as a higher low, and that is why I made it this dotted line, because I personally don't really believe that this is going to be such a strong support level for Bitcoin. But of course, as we are going to be seeing a strong bounce towards the upside from this point, then I could definitely start to say that this is a very important support line to be looking at. But for now on, I'm taking this support line with a grain of salt. A thing that I want to be pointing out, and a reason why I am currently opening up this position, because yesterday I still got a lot of questions from a lot of people. I explained my reasons why I'm opening up this trade clearly in depth. So what I will be doing is that I will be opening up my Bitcoin long position in this orange box here on the lower side. And this orange box is basically exactly below the liquidity of Bitcoin. And I think what is most likely going to be happening is that this lower side of liquidity is going to get taken out of the market. And due to that, a lot of long positions are going to get liquidated. And after that, we are going to be seeing that bounce towards the upside. That is what is what I am currently expecting. And like I said many times before, I am a low risk profile trader. And if I right now miss out on this bottom, and let's say Bitcoin is already going to be bouncing from this point, it is going to be okay for me. I missed my trade, but of course I am already well positioned on my spot backs, so I'm still going to be benefiting from the higher prices on Bitcoin in general. But if Bitcoin were to be coming lower and were to be heading that $60,000 to $58,000, it would give me an opportunity to, of course, benefit from the lower prices. And then I think that the risk is so low for me to open up that Bitcoin long position. So that is exactly what I will be doing. And I do believe that right now in this stage in the market, the opportunity to actually open up a long position is becoming bigger and bigger, and the chance that Bitcoin is actually going to be seeing a very strong bounce is also increasing. And why? Let me quickly explain this. Because currently the Bitcoin funding rate is significantly decreasing, and like we can see from the past Bitcoin bull market cycle, every single time we started to see that in the rally towards the upside, the funding rates were spiking. But every single time once we saw the funding rates come back to neutral, we basically saw a gigantic opportunity to actually open up long positions. Every circle that I've drawn was the point of time in the market where the funding rates were either negative or close to neutral, and that was happening in a massive uptrend where first of all funding rates were spiking. So you can clearly see there are many opportunities to actually long Bitcoin, and almost every single time this opportunity occurs once the funding rates is either neutral to negative. And currently the funding rates are about as neutral as it gets, because if we're currently looking at the price action of Bitcoin, we can see that indeed funding rates have been spiking significantly towards the upside, and right now they are cooling down significantly. And yes, once it
Goodness. Oh my goodness. If you're not a trader, then this isn't for you, right? Because there are if and that statements, right? If and that. That's it. Excuse me, I didn't know I was muted. Moving on. Meme coins.
Floki has declared war on Pepe. Memecoin wars. They launched a billboard campaign in New York City. In the campaign video, a scared Pepe the Frog was suddenly smashed by Viking warrior Floki. I know it's all kind of dumb, guys, but stick with me for a second. The open declaration of war on Pepe and Floki being on the warpath to kick Pepe out of the top 3 meme coins by market cap. And it seems like Doge and SHIB, they could be next. Who will be the top meme coin? Nobody knows long term. Not that any of it really matters, but it's still pretty interesting to see where the market starts speculating on which cartoon picture should be valued more than the other. Floki has declared...
And you know how I feel about meme coins, guys. I just explained it to you. I'm not that bullish on them. I do have some just because. But moving on, buy signals for 2 strong cryptocurrencies in April, which are Uniswap and Near Protocol. Shout out to Joanna over at Near. Moving on. Ethereum drops below the 100-day moving average. What next? Guys. Once again, I tell you guys all the time, if you pay attention to some of the news and you're emotional with these news clips, then guess what? You'll be emotional spending and emotional buying. But if your dollar cost averaging and you have a strategy, then you have nothing to worry about. Moving on, Floki Inu unveils 2024 roadmap with digital banking in focus. Utility with a debit card. Floki Inu launches cross-chain trading bot. This is getting ready to be something you already seen in Times Square. Floki just crushed the Pepe coin, especially focusing on banking. But I want to know how this is going to flow with the SEC, because we know the SEC has been anal retentive towards crypto. So we're going to see upcoming Floki debit card will link digital bank accounts to a physical payment method, promoting the use of Floki tokens. Okay. How many Floki tokens do you have? Is that in your portfolio? You know, I talked about this before it went parabolic. Are you paying attention or tuning into my show weekly or daily? Oh man, the latest Solana meme coin skyrocketed tens of thousands of percents in just 10 days. Once again, book of memes. We talked about this as well. And I hope that people are taking advantage of some of the things that I talk about. I hope. How I got into the book of memes? Once again, late night again. I don't know what's up with this late night. Late night, I'm just sitting there watching. I'm like, damn, what the hell is book of memes? It pulls up. I pull the website up. It didn't have no community. It had a Telegram group, right? And I was definitely looking at it. And then I was just like, let me just throw a few dollars in there. And probably about from like 12 midnight to about 2 o'clock in the morning, I said, oh, let me throw a few more dollars in there. And I was just like, let me see. And then all of a sudden, it just started popping up all over the place. So, moving on, guys, I talk about one of the topics today. One of the definitely topics today is what coins to buy. All right. I want to tell you guys, this is not financial advice. I wanted you to be clear on what I'm telling you. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what coins that you should think about that I looked at, right? That has potential, right? These are potentials. Like people's like, yo, Ab, you don't give us your secrets up. No, I don't. Either you in my Telegram group and we talking about it and I'm posting it and you in there just taking advantage and absorbing some of this information and you putting information in, right? That's how the engagement happens. You don't only just take, you talk. Say, hey, I seen this. Did this work? Does this not work? Or I'm an ape in this. That's what community building is, right? Okay, cool. Moving on. These are the tokens that I have been looking at, coins that I have been looking at. One of them is called Beam. It's 3 cents right now. 3 cents. It is 3 cents. I wish I could have caught it in November for 0.004 cents. 4/10 of a cent. Right? I wish I could have caught it then. Its high went up to 4 cents. Now it's at 33 cents, right? They go with Discord, they go with Telegram, they go with Twitter. First thing let's do is, guys, let's go check out the Twitter. Let's check out the Twitter. Cancel that. Open. Merit Circle Beam. 4,100 subscribers. Okay. Welcome to the chat portal of Merit Circle Beam. Token. Please read group rules and pin messages. Okay. Tap to verify. Medium article. We're going to check all of this out. Yep. This thing went, okay. I'm joining the group. Okay. They got 9,000 members. Okay. All right, y'all see I'm in the building. 8 is the magic number. No toxic trolling. Please behave yourself. No price, trade, market talk. Discuss the Merit Circle Beam Chain Eco. Please read. I need to get this bot inside of my Telegram group. You are now able to chat. Okay, we're in the building, guys. Oh, this is Rose. I just don't have my Rose set up. We are in the building. Let's see. Let's see they pin messages first. Announcement. Let's see. Okay. Mert. Clothes. All right. Toys. Announcement. Someone talking. It's a box. Addition. A bunch of different attributes. Okay. Gas governance, validation, buyback, burn. Okay, we didn't check it out, but guys, check it out. Website. We didn't even go to the website first. We went to the Telegram group first. Loading crack beam. Encrypted breach. Click anywhere to enter. Really cool. Cool website. Okay. This is just one of them. I'm just looking at, guys. I don't know what this is. Hey, Evan. Okay. Connect zone. I don't know. Go do your due diligence, guys. See what this is about. I'm just pulling it. Welcome to Beam Technical Documentation Hub. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast, a developer, or someone new in the world of blockchain, you'll find treasury trove and resources here to get you started and going. Beam is sovereignty network focused on gaming, brought to you by the Merit Circle DAO, powered and established by Avalanche Network. Beam operates independently to cater towards gamers and game developers. Okay. So we know Beam is about games, guys. Moving on. Next coin is Joe. Trader Joe. Yep. Discord, Twitter. Let's check out their Twitter page. Let's check it out. These are things that have popped up across my desk. That's the reason why I'm talking about them. Because these are these potentials, guys. Once again, this is not financial advice. Trader Joe. Memecoin Rush for Trader Joe. In case you missed it, on Thursday, Trader Joe shared plans of upcoming Memecoin Rush program where over the coming week, participants will be able to stake popular meme coins and earn AVAX and more. Community, creativity, culture, and community are the hearts of the campaign, and it's innovation for everything to be part of something new, engaging, and fun. This sounds like Beyond the Blockchain. Oh, they have a stack. Okay. There's a lot of information today. Saturday, right? Memecoin Rush. Trader Joe. Avalanche blockchain ecosystem Pro introduces utility for use case for community coins by adding gamification, enhancing ecosystem synergies. Announced by Avalanche Foundation in March 21st, this 1 million program, 1M program aims to foster a wider ecosystem support adoption of communities eager to build on Avalanche blockchain. Y'all heard it first. They're eager to build. It is at 86 cents right now. It is at 86 cents. Yeah, buddy, is on Avalanche. They got a GitHub. Do your due diligence, guys. That's all I got to say. Hyperpay. Do your due diligence. I am just bringing this to the top of the desk and say, hey, this is what this is. We're not looking at Hyperpay right now. Let's keep it moving. Joe. Okay. No Hyperpay. No trade. We checked out Trader Joe's. That's on Avalanche. And the next one is GMX. $45. That seems kind of expensive. But this is another one that's built on Avalanche. They have a Discord, Telegram. Let's check out the website. GMX. What is GMX? Decentralized Perpetual Exchange. Okay. It's an exchange. And most likely their tokens is about governance and so on and so forth. Okay, the utility governance token accrues 30% and 20% of V1 and V2 markets generate fees respectively. APR 15.61%, Avalanche APR 14%. Okay, GM is a liquidity provider for token for a GMXV market. Okay, it's a liquidity provider for this exchange, and it is trading at $45. Yes, it is. And let's see something. Let's see, in the past day, it jumped up 2%. In the past 7 days, it dropped 12%. I want to see all-time high. All-time high is about 200%. Starting from, $20. Oh, no, $12. Okay. Y'all already know what it is. I brought it to your attention. And you just do your due diligence to see if this works for you or if you want to add or diversify. But once again, this is not financial advice. We're moving on. Federal judge sanctions U.S. SEC for gross abuse of power in crypto fraud case. We all know that these people over here at the SEC have no faith, and they're trying to skin the cat alive over here in the crypto sector. That's why if you're creating any type of protocols, try not to create any securities that have the USC on your bottom. I'm not going to say the A word. Double grants for ENS fueling growth of innovation in Web3. Guys, I don't know if you have got a chance to get your ENS domain name, okay? It will be your name.eth. That's what it would be. So this is the new thing that's going. This isn't new because I have mine. This been going on. If you haven't got a chance to get your domain name on ENS, now you can link it to your GoDaddy, right? So you have a Web3 address, right? As well as, and then people can pay you. Abtracts.eth. Moving on. AI sex robots technicians joke women are being extinct as doll sales skyrocket. I don't know what the hell they talking about women being extinct. That looks like a man. So if you're into anything like that and that's what you like to do, a man robot, then hey, I'm happy for you. But for me, I don't know what they talking about women about to be extinct. There's nothing like a woman's touch. It's like nothing like the scent of a woman. There's nothing like a woman's opinion, right? I don't know where they get this from. These is nerds in the room together that's bumping computer heads because y'all bugging out. Or introverts, because there's no way in the world for me that you can tell me that I'm going on a date or going to the club or having fun with a robot and not no woman can say, hey, that don't sound right. Change what you talking about. Refer to us correctly. Right? Moving on then to our space, because this thing is crazy. Once I pulled it up one time, it just started flashing up all over. So here's the next one. Men are cheating with AI Instagram bots because men. What? Daphne, a 22-year-old marketing manager, knew it was never going to work out with her ex, Dave. There were red flags from the start. Since they started dating in spree in 2022, Dave will frequently lie about little things or what he would call withholding. Why? Because he's on Instagram hawking over some twerking or some sex or no workout videos with some shorty shorts or something like that. Y'all need to stop it. Come on now. Stop it. Moving on. The DOJ is making green bubble users on iMessage feel seen. The signal to use the users that rival smartphones are lowering quality, the DOJ wrote. Maybe one day people won't say ooh when they see a green bubble in their iMessage. Who cares? Who cares? You feel some way about a green bubble. Who cares? As long as you get in the message and you close the deal. That's what's important. Moving on. More jobs lost in Vegas. Yes, indeed. It might seem like a spectacle or something that you might be excited about. But at the end of the day, robot manicures, cocktails, and pizza. Vegas gets automated. See? More jobs. I just showed y'all the coffee jobs yesterday that was lost, right? It's creative, but there's no bartender. There's no one you could talk to. Hey, I just had a long day. I want to talk to my bartender. Yeah, things this. And oh, there's a restaurant up there that serves wings. Oh, there's no referrals or nothing because it's just a robot. See, there's a loss of touch of personalities when you got to deal with robots and you're not dealing with people. That is where the problem comes in. Moving on. Mega Millions jackpot grows to $1 billion. After no grand prize winner. Let me tell y'all what I'm going to do. I'm going to go inside of my bot, okay? And inside my bot, I'm going to use either ChatGPT or Gemini, and I'm going to put the last 25 lotto numbers in there. And I'm going to tell this bot to choose a number that could potentially win this next Mega Million. That's what I'm going to do. Now, if I win the Mega Million and they come after me because I used the AI bot, I done messed up. But they didn't say that I could. I need to read the rules of Lotto. Can we use AI in choosing our numbers? Because aren't they using AI when they choose their numbers? When you say, hey, let me get a quick pick. So it's quickly picking the numbers that's not going to win. That's why I don't really like to choose quick picks. Because it's quickly picking the numbers. It already knows in its algorithm that these ain't the winning numbers. And they have a number of, these are potential numbers, and these are non-potential numbers, and these are winners. So they can tell you the day of if those lotto numbers is winning numbers or not. On that note, it's $1 in a dream. Also, if you haven't got a chance to get yourself over to Empire DAO to check out this mint that's happening, because like I said, there's a lot of value in community, and like I wouldn't even have my show if it wasn't for Empire DAO and some of the people and the things that I have met along my Web3 crypto journey. And that's another reason why I have established my web network, because it was very important to me to connect with people who have the same like minds and don't potentially have the same information or have the resources. So that's one of the reasons. That's the reason why it says communities resources, right? That is the resources guide of my web networking, like I said, because I mean, I'm so supportive of this project. I am raffling off a desk for Empire DAO. So make sure you keep your eye out on the raffle, and make sure you tune into Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I see you at the same bad channel, same bad time. Peace.
Our tracks on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris.